there are many normal amount for baby no a train enya me predictions na answer na omotu omanamo na the attorney say you akwan mako enumu a yetimi ehu da chiasem ante atimiesi
okay
edin kan na ya effect say prophecy no the ka say prophecy ene say nyankopon e ka bibi a kyerɛw say me ba ochina chi we ne besi eno e prophecy nyame ankasa be ka kyerɛw na mum no wan kasa na wo ye the medium na ye kasa fa mu no ese se hunhunu se kasa na wo tene nyame na e ka na se hunhun bi na e ka there are so many asofo a omotensem na wo be ka obonten be emfi nyame because nyankopon kwa na kasa wo sunsum okay ye other form of spirit a omoso ye den e kasa nti se hunhunu mu no endimu yi a wo betimi ate ene bi a wo de beto abonten nyame na e ka so nyankopon na e ka na ye hunhun bi na e kasa kyerɛw nti edin kan na ye friend say prophecy etoso mienu no ye friend vision say the vision say say dream but say the dream no the wada and was on the vision no be a one night what one night be a wutu nkwa na woni akosan no bibitimu bie kyerɛw ma hu no ma bi a betimi asi but one thing is say all vision bia no say the obi hu no enye saa na kyerɛ e woni nkyerɛkyerɛ mu
wow
nti ema ne say so the Bible musi e ka say osofo bi a prophet bi a nyankopon nipa I just say onya vision say aboboy enam bebrebe enam ye ne boa na eni bi say kumnadi o say e honte because you Jew ni na Jew for ye wonam a omundi ene ne say na wo ne hwan a me nyankopon ade amate ho wo say e honte the Bible story ne say e koba 3 times a onyame ni payandi nti ade acha na papa no na nyankopon aka akire obi o ye gentile o mamamu ni bi say onko na nyankopon ni pay emo ne so nti that time no Jew for ne gentiles no monka nti obi a ono nyankopon aka akire ne say kona makoa emo wasu no no suru mpo nti okoko wa nuri ni pani fi kwan so no say onyankopon o say menkasa na onyame edi kan yi akire me nti no ne vision mu ohun say nama ye say ho nte no na gina ho ma gentile mamamu ni a omo ne Jew for no omonka and nti no ubenya vision clear but na ne meaning na nkasa wo ho nyese de hu na anete nti eno na ye vision no etoso mensa eno na ye predictions the predictions no are based on the movement of the moon, the sun and all the other planets
ene de nyame yi nkyere onye nyame
no enye nyame bi na yi akere nyankopon hyehyɛ yi mu no watro bibia de ato I to say lawyer onim Ghana mera pa yi no onim nya asɛm na mokɔ court or the Ghana constitution no betimi adibem e wa abra bi mpa na asɛm enye de because onim de wi Ghana mera na fa so ye adwuma so prediction no sɛ nyankopɔn bo oni wi ase na tie no ye wo mera bi a hye ho saa mera no na predictions no ede na di nti from day one nyankopɔn bo wi ase ene kopim da wi ase besai information bi a behia no it's already there ntinya afei na obi ba be yi akire na emo obi ono ya astrologer or ya mystic na obi onim saa science no wo de ya na say obey drawings wey calculations no wo betimi ehu de say isi de hwade tetepa no na akwasi broni enya ma ha no na nanom say 1 month esia say first second third agosi say month de be say o say bosome baako the entire no friend bosome baako ne say bosome ni movement no ene no money calculate days nti the more bosome ni e move no ebi wo ha a transitive was on point ebi zo ha a intertwine any all that ni na ne won nsama eden eka ene nti no those of us na ye predictions no and forecast no sa science ni yesua na we as obi a won number we as obi a won star so obe kai o Bible mo ye kan story bi say yawo Yesu no enyansafo bi eno mo fira puye eno mo hu say yawo ohene bi ye den e wo baabi the Bible say omudi nsonoma na chi saa nsonoma na the bro of star nti omudi stars na chi saa until say o ma be pie wo Bethlehem nti o me obi bia o hwe no wo no ankasa na star ena afi bia so wo na star nti onim star na wo be hu ne de wom de ye ne de nya nyina ewom Nti etoso me ensane ne friend the predictions or forecasting. Nti eno na me ye no. Etoso 9 no ye friend dreams. Daye. Ye mo bebre o ha ye daye kapa obi o so daye se we be see ampa cha 2-3 days na si. Nti daye na etoso 9 akwan fa so yetimi hu da acha asem ansa na timi asi. De twato aye nnum ne friend say omens. Omens no eye normal bi a ye environment eyi kire ye hu no all the time. For instance, una mo a e bi a wo drive obehwe na mo bebre firi unsa be nkum na mo konifa na mo crosso e wo de kire so mo firi benkum e na ekonifa ana mo firi nifa na ekọ benkum e wo de kire hwe eto da wote hwa se wani wi ase popo o do so be keka stand na ka so popo bibia so ntoso se eye nifa e wo de kire se ye benkum e wo de kire
Nana we dey wada o manka bie no so kire because ebita
yes
me say I heard for
yes eto da bo se won say ase etwetwu say
sir
obeya ho di go de
sometimes so 9 so
ebiso won 9 eto da won nante ya kakra bi no na apoi kakra na apoi ana eto da o fa ade na to fom ni nyina no ye fe no omens nti sa no manum we so no ni nyina no ametimi hu da achen asem nti meme de me ye no nye prophecy enye nyankopon bi na say Jnana bi punu we me bi punu na akonya kese bi si ho na opete bi to no watu oti ya na me di na chi asiko hie enye ni bia enye ni bia me ye there enye ni bia we know your predictions are it doesn't fail unless we calculation na bia be mistake so one your mistake me ni aba en fail nti me wa asem bia make am say the stars do not lie. The stars. So be our follow me ache. I've been doing this for many years. Every year be a you see afinimu anamaye. Me ye ni penti me ntimo nkasa me ye perfect. But oka say me ma me ho say me yearly forecast no percentage here ma me ho kwa 98%.
Because don't wanna ye.
Oh yeah, 2025 there me kind there's no one single thing you see 2025 man ka ho asem. And 25 even COVID about 2020. Coming about 2020, I predicted that the whole world economy was going to collapse. One of the TV channels, me and a third team something, and I remember I said, me really comment to people guess insulting. So later now I covered no manifest, you know. That's what I refer to that same comment. So the third say, idea, you're very expert with it when it comes to predictions. And in the end, so yeah, my platforms, so transformations, you know, may forecast of the year. Now, a lot of people were waiting for my forecasting because they make you know because Hana men as a human American. Now they are possible. But when the star says it because you follow stars in the channel, we say it and it happens. Donald Trump, before so be president, the first time I predicted that. You can check online. Actually, you lose elections. From 2021, I kept on predicting every year say Donald Trump was coming back. Until say 2024 by Joe Biden, I said they say this man will not go for the second term. Now Obama the be replaced. In that time, now Joe Biden Obama say he was still contesting. At the end of the day, some few weeks to the election time was mean to me go. They see what Donald Trump and Elon Musk in term. I said it. And to quite see Gaza and Israel for term, I predicted it. Long before the time, Ukraine front I predicted that. So there's no one single thing. I am major thing is we are forecasting and can. So this year, I gave 109 different kind of normal ABCC where I feel, and I'm a few ones be about Ghana. To be honest with you, Metro be about NDC and MPP, and I'm better than right. But me what kind of comment in be the little that I said about Ghana. Me hear a man for at mo didn't I say I will not even say anything about the election anymore. Because the thing say all this while me hear forecast na me nya Ghana. Because Ghana for don't know mu ade. Yeah. Because say o can say be especially about politics not the nipa and kwa manepa. The next nipa be some be kaya ye ba be to about 2024. And Ken and ba me anom call mo primaries no. So we ya Ankoyi ama Lancash na nebufu no kote the party. Also be independent. Ken, according to sources no, he wanted to. Because no feel say almost see no crime so. I did Facebook live and I make a me need a number. Me need any connection be a bet. on here na wanko independent on tena MPP no na otena MPP no wi a na ye to aba no wi 2024 na e ho no be hu de nti a obete me masema me kana se see eh so we said contest abedu ono ane ba omienta ma e de ne so there's every possibility say so otutu ni no ma yi a obeden obetimi afomako. I'm not saying so never win, but I'm saying otutu ni no ma yi a because they ba ko say 70% of normal bisi wa brabo we mun untimu change. Your destiny, you can't do anything about it. But 30% of our destiny can be averted or can be maneuvered. I didn't know. I did obey me yes. So only now crying out to one crying here, ultimate change, you know. Yeah. So I am not saying say he is the one who's going to win, but the Americans say to 20 normal year or every chance to lead the MPP. And if it starts the class, wake up the Mobono, Mexico, no. On many problem, the cartels, no, may be CSU during the World Cup, no, Mexico. Wow. Yes. And at the World Cup 2026, no, we experienced problems in Mexico.
Was it 11 June?
11 June, you know, the World Cup 2026 will experience problems in Mexico by the drug cartels to mess it up. And Argentina, Spain, and France, and about 3 football clubs are going to do so. You know, finals no starts and they say the finals will be between Spain and Argentina will win.
Hey. That is a Canadian grammar. Hey.
Yeah. So that's it. I mean about the football, no stars and Eka. And normally because I believe in the stars, I say it as it is.
Okay.
The stars and they say Argentina, Spain, and France. I'm gonna be number 1, number 2, number 3. Na finals, no. Argentina and Spain for the because finals. And Argentina budget cap. It means Argentina the first. Now Spain to 2, now France to 3.
3.
China stars, no.
That's right. Ya bobo na wi. Na Jnana ya bobo na wi ntimi de mo hweze ezia ende besi.